Y'all's here? Today, I've invited a couple of very special friends. They're Pla and Stick. Hello, friends. I'm Stick. And I'm Pla. Do you know where they came from? They were made by Dani. That's right. Dani blew life into us. Don't believe me? It's true. I'll show you guys how I made them. Follow me. I used these plastic bottles to make them. I drank everything inside this 1.8-liter bottle. Gulp, gulp, gulp. And I rinsed it clean like this, you guys. After it's all dry, we cut the mouth with this utility knife. Friends, make sure a grown-up helps you. Make a cut at 1/4 from the end. Cut, cut, cut. Cut it down the middle. It's important that you don't cut all the way. Don't cut it all, but leave about a finger's length left. And then, like this, ta-da! We're already done with the mouth. Using red tape on the mouth part will add color for the lips. Put the red tape along the edges and ta-da! The lower lip is done. Now, we'll put some on the upper lip. Ta-da! We made the lips that can open wide like this. Now, we'll make the eyes and nose. What should we use for the eyes? Just sticking on regular eyes is no fun. Let's make some eyes that pop out. Pop! Hee. Did you think they were real? We'll stick on these eyes made of pom-poms. We're using a glue gun this time, so you need to be careful. Ouch! Hot. The eyeballs go on pop, like this. Pop! They look so cute! Here, we'll stick on thick black eyebrows. Oh, but then he looks angry. Let's bring the eyebrows down a bit. Wait. Ta-da! There! We put on eyebrows.
Make some hair for me.
You want some hair, you said? Okay, got it. Then, we need yarn to make nice hair. But how do we do it? When making hair out of yarn, like this, it's easy if you just wind it around, something like a box like this. Wind and wind, round and round. Wind it around nicely. Then you tie the ends. Now we're going to pull it off. Pull up. Ta-da! It comes out like this. Now you hold the middle here, and we're going to tie the middle nice and easy. We'll use the same color yarn. Tie it tight. Then pull on the ends and snip. Cut through it. Then do the same on the other end and ta-da! What do you think? Now we'll glue it on. I'm going to use the glue gun again this time. Oh yes! Swish, swish! What hairstyle should I give it? You can tie it up like this. I'll use the ribbon to tie it. Ta-da! Now we've tied his hair. Could you make me some nice clothes? What kind of clothes do you want? Superman? Batman? Or a dinosaur suit? Oh, no, not something like that. I've always wanted to be a cool cowboy that roams the sky. Oh, cowboy? Got it. Just wait. Let's make a cowboy outfit. Ta-da! What do you think? I love it! Yee-haw! I'm feeling hungry now. Is there something to eat, Dani? Something to eat? Wait a minute. Something yummy to eat? Me too. Oh, who are you? This is another friend I made. Wait, before we do anything, let's give you some names. Since I made you out of plastic bottles, how about Pla and Stick? Pla? Oh, I like that name. From now on, I'm Pla. I'm Stick. Ha! Then let's go get something yummy to eat. But I can't give it to you for nothing. How about you two play a game and whoever wins gets to eat all the food? What do you think? What game, Dani? Using your big, huge mouths. Whoever catches more of these balls is the winner. Fine. My mouth is super big. Well, my mouth is just as big, if not bigger than yours. See? Now. Stop arguing and let's start playing the actual game. Ready? Pla, you go first. Now, Pla will go first. Ready, go! I missed. Yay, caught it! Could you throw it better? Throw straight! Yay, two! Good job, Pla. I caught only two. That's okay, since your mouth is so big, they went in really well. Thank you, Dani. I need to fix my hair. It's my turn, Cowboy Stick. I'll show you how it's done. Ready? Go! Oh dear. Yay, got it. Success. Hop. Owie, that one hit my eye. Hi. Oh no, this can't be. Pla, 2 balls. Stick, 2 balls. So the winner of this contest is neither of you. It turned out to be a tie. But after playing so hard, don't you feel even hungrier? I got some snacks ready for you guys. Open wide. Okay, Pla, open your mouth. Here you go. I'll fill you up with popcorn. Wow. Yummy, yum. Wow, it tastes so sweet. Thank you, Dani. It's my turn now. I brought some cheese balls for you, Stick. Now open your mouth wide. In it goes. Wow, they're super yummy. Yum. Wow, delicious. Thank you, Dani. Yum. Pla and Stick, I heard you have so many talents. Of course. There's lots and lots of things I can do. What can you do? I can grow a flower inside of me. Oh, you can grow a flower? Yeah, Dani. Fill me all the way up with soil, and I'll make a flower bloom. Sure, okay. Now, put in lots of soil in Stick's mouth like this. Shoop. Wow, Stick, that's so pretty. It's like a garden. It would be so nice to make a flower pot like this to decorate my room. Friends, try making your own plastic potted plant. Dani, did you know all these friends here are made of plastic? Whoa, really? Wow, this balloon? PET bottle? And even straw plastic. This is all plastic? Why don't we transform these things too? Oh, wait, not me. You guys are so talented, aren't you? Why don't you find the plastic items in your home and transform them, friends? Wow, I wonder what kind of things they'll make. I'm so curious. Let me know, okay? Okay.